All right, hi you guys, welcome back to today's video. I am super excited for today's review, doing the Anycash Bluetooth thermal label printer. And I just got this in today, so I'm excited to dive into all the fun things and all the features that it can do. All right, so starting off with some of its cool features. So right off the bat, obviously it's a Bluetooth connection label printer. I know that it can connect via Bluetooth from your iPhone or Android. When it comes to your Mac or your Windows or a computer of the sorts, you have to connect with a cord, which they provide for you. So again, couldn't be easier. I'm gonna do everything through the app. So on iOS, it's called Flash Label. And at first I was a little nervous because the ratings were not that good, but the app has truly been great. You'll see during the demo when I go through it, I have a few different options. You can open and edit a PDF, print a picture, a new label, barcode printing, or templates. It also has video tutorials on there as well, which is super helpful. So I am actually going to, just to do like a little trial, I'm gonna do the new label. I ended up finding this like invoice from just online, like a free invoice, and we're just gonna use that as a tester. So, okay, label mode, they have gap label, black mark, continuous, label shape, rectangle or circle, which is fun for like stickers or QR codes, stuff like that. And then obviously it has the label width and label height. I already have it in there that it is the 4x6. And if you actually click on standard size, it brings it down and has it in millimeters, but you can just go down to inches. That's what And once you are open under create, it actually gives you a full, you can add a sticker, basically just any customization that you want to do. I'm going to move this around to the back just so you can see. There's a button right here. It's circling and blinking red right now, which means that it's not ready to print. Load that one in. So once you have that green now, so now it's blinking green. I have my phone here. All right, we're gonna hit print now. That truly couldn't have been easier, honestly. Some other cool things that are to note is that this printer seamlessly integrates with all different kinds of mail carriers or marketplaces. So the reason I bought this was because I am an e-commerce shop owner and I needed a printer. I've been printing my labels that I'm shipping off to people, their invoices through my printer. So this was definitely needed for me on my end. As I said, it completely connects with Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, any of those marketplaces, as well as UPS labels, USPS, FedEx, all that. It comes with a few 4x6 labels, which is really helpful. I actually bought a separate 4x6 thermal labels because I didn't realize that they were included, which is awesome that they're included in there. Also adding to that is that there is no ink needed at all. All you do is just plug it in, right through your phone or your computer, and you have your label ready to go. I would suggest this to anyone who is in the market for a thermal printer for labels. I hope that this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.